Alright, so the first thing you want to do is warm up your water in the microwave, get a medium mixing bowl, add your butter, your salt, and add about half of the cornmeal, and just kind of mix that all around with your hands. Once that's all good, you want to go ahead and add the remaining cornmeal. Once that's all incorporated, you want to add half of the cheese, so about 8 ounces of cheese, and you want to mix that around until the base is ready. Once the base is ready, go ahead and form the dough into balls about the size of a baseball, and you want to go ahead and make a well in the center and fill it with about 1 tablespoon of cheese. Then you want to go ahead and flatten it between your palms to about half an inch thick. Go ahead and repeat this process until you get something that looks like this. So the recipe did call for about 16 ounces of cheese, but I actually ended up not using all of it, so I just put it back in the bag. Next, you want to heat up your pan on medium-high heat, add your oil, and cook the arepa on both sides for about 3 to 4 minutes until it looks like this. And now it's time for the best part, the cheese pull. Go ahead and repeat this process, and they should all come out looking like this. Alright, I'm trying the arepas con queso I just made. Looks good. Mm-hmm.